Hi guys, welcome to my channel Plan B Life with me Sangeet. Today on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, we'll be seeing how to make instant Oreo modak in just 5 to 10 minutes. It will be loved by your children and you too. Do try this recipe, and before moving on to the recipe, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and watch the video till the end. For this modak, we'll need desiccated coconut, condensed milk and Oreo biscuits. Let's move on to the recipe. I've taken this packet of Oreo biscuit. It has 10 Oreos in it. And we'll take desiccated coconut around 30 to 40 grams. It is dry desiccated coconut. Condensed milk around 2 to 3 teaspoons. And obviously the modak molds. If you don't have a modak mold, that is fine. You can use your hands to shape the modak. Now I'll open the packet and separate the biscuit and the cream. Put the cream in one bowl and all the biscuits in the other bowl. Do it for the entire pack, because with the cream we'll make the filling, and with the biscuit we are going to make the outside cover for the modak. Separate it in the similar way, and now blend the biscuit in a mixie jar to a very fine powder. Make sure there are no lumps, or it shouldn't be crumbly. It should be a very fine powder, because then only it will hold shape, otherwise it will split. And one more thing, you don't have to cook anything in this, like you don't need the gas for this recipe at all. See, it is a very fine powder. Now we have to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of condensed milk. I'll first add 2 teaspoons and try to mix it. If it doesn't mix, I'll add 1 more teaspoon. Depending upon how many biscuits you take, you can add or minimize the amount of condensed milk in your flour, the biscuit flour. See, now it is come to a good dough consistency. You can add a little hot water if you feel the dough is very sticky. Now for the cream, add the desiccated coconut powder around 30 to 40 grams. After adding the desiccated coconut, mix it well, just that it becomes a uniform mixture. You don't have to make it a dough, it's just the filling. It can be crumbly, no issue. Now take the modak mold, grease it with ghee or oil. It's just your preference, you can use either. I've used ghee. Grease it completely on both the halves. Greasing it, make sure that the dough will not stick to the mold and it will come out very easily. Now close it. Take a small amount of the dough and fill it inside the mold, and make sure you form a uniform layer and press it along the borders with your fingers. Make sure the layer is not too thin and not too thick. If it is very thin, the modak might split when you try to remove it from the mold. Now after filling the dough, fill the mixture or the filling, the coconut and the cream filling, in the cavity that you've created. Press it nicely inside, and then take another layer of dough to cover it from the bottom. And remove all the excess dough that is sticking out of the mold. Press the mold tightly so that you get a good shape. And if you're using your hands, you can just grease your palm, take the dough and make a regular shape modak that you always do at your homes. Now see, this is the modak that I have made using the mold. It comes out easily with the help, because we have greased it with the ghee. See how tasty and scrumptious it looks. I'm just pressing it once more so that it does not split. It generally doesn't, but I'm just making it sure. It is ready. It is my son's absolute favorite. I'm sure your children will love too. So I got around 4 to 5 modaks with this, because my modak mold is big. I got around 4 to 5. If you're using a smaller mold, you'll get more. And I've just made it with 1 packet of Oreo cookies. You can increase or decrease according to your wish. It is very easy, and if you notice, we have not lighted the gas at all for this. It is just so instant. You can make this in 5 to 8 minutes and give it to your children, and they love it. Thank you for watching, and please love me and support me in all the videos like you do. And please like, share and subscribe with your friends and share it with your family, and enjoy this happy occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. May Lord Ganesha bless you and your family with all the abundance and happiness in the world. Thank you once again.